Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to clean out the drain pump on your Whirlpool Duet front load washing machine. On this particular model, to access your drain pump, you have to remove this panel. There's a lot of reasons why you might need to clean your drain pump. Your washing machine might get to a certain stage and it will not drain. You might also have to replace the water pump, but a lot of times on a Whirlpool, all you're going to have to do is clean the Whirlpool water drain out. And the way we like to do it, especially if there's water in the tub, is just to tip the washing machine back or get someone to tilt it back for you. To remove this panel, you may or may not have a pedestal on yours. There's going to be 3 screws up underneath this panel. You're going to have to take those screws off. Sometimes they're a Phillips bit. Sometimes you're going to need just the end, maybe a 1/4 inch nut driver or a star bit. So you're going to have to check to see what you need to remove these 3 screws. Go ahead and take those screws out. Okay, and then you're just going to have to work this off. Sometimes you got to go down. There you go. It'll just slide down like that and just pull this panel off. And here is your water pump. Okay, the reason we tilt this back, Whirlpool doesn't have a drain hose where you can drain any water that's still in here out. So this is what will happen if you just open that drain pump without it being tilted back. And we like to use a pair of pliers, and I'm just showing you this. You gotta turn that, make sure you don't break it. Turn this cap here counterclockwise, and again, if you haven't tilted this back, this is what's going to happen in your laundry room. All that water is going to go over your laundry room floor. So again, what I highly recommend, tilt your washing machine back before you take that off. And you can see here, there was a lot of debris in the water filter. This is your water pump right here. And the water comes down from your tub into here. There's a little hole here that it goes into this motor and it pumps it up. If that's clogged, your Whirlpool will not be able to complete a cycle. So once all that's been cleaned out, give your filter a good cleaning. Simply place the filter back inside. Okay. And I would use a pair of pliers. You may have a better tool that you can do this with, but this is how we always do ours. Go ahead and turn this filter. Okay, and you're going to turn it until this tab meets this tab. If you don't tighten it tight enough, you're going to have water all over your floor. So try that, and then try to run a cycle on your wash machine and see if it drains correctly, which will allow you to complete your washing cycle. Then go ahead and put the cover plate back on and put those 3 screws back in, and you should be good. I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. What you might want to do first, if your particular Whirlpool has this option, go ahead and power it on. Come over here to the drain and spin cycle and go ahead and press start. You have to hold this just for about 3 seconds. Okay, you hear the door lock. And in a minute, the drain pump is going to kick on, and it will get any water that's still in the water pump out. You don't necessarily have to wait the whole 13 minutes. Once it's drained, you'll hear the water pump turn off. Then go ahead and remove the bottom panel like this.